When you saw the news about 1,000 people died in your country, part of you also died.
One thing we all have in common, we are citizens of the world. And another thing that we have in common, that we have a heart that can feel each other's pain. And also what we have in common is that we can also bear the burden of that pain.
Over 15 people I know dead. Over 200 houses is not standing, except few. The house I was burned, the very house, is just rubble. I'm here, but my mind, my heart is there.
So here we are gathering with our Nepali friends to show our love and support, to show our love that we all Nepal today.